In this lecture, we will discuss about classes and access specifier. So our outline is scheme, syllabus, class and class example. Then we will discuss about class advantages, and in the last we will discuss about access specifier, and after that we will conclude the lecture. So first topic is our class. The class is building block of C++ that lead to object-oriented programming is a class. Our backbone of object-oriented programming is object and class, and we always write program within the class or by using class for implementing the object-oriented programming feature. A class is an abstract data type similar to C structure. Abstract data type means it follow the concept of abstractions. The class representation of object, the set of operations that can be applied to such object. Actually, we write the property of object within the class. The class consists of data members and methods. As we know that the data members are attributes of object and methods are behavior of an object. It is it is user defined data type which hold its own data members and member function, which can be accessed and used by creating an instance of that class. Means we can use these data members and member functions by using the instance of that class. We are talking about object, so we can say that a class is like a blueprint of an object, because we define the property of object within the class, and class is the place where we define the property of object. And other word, we can say that class is the collection of object of similar data type, because we can create multiple object of a class. For example, consider a class of cars. There may be many cars with different name and brand, but all of them will share some common properties, like all of them will have four wheels, speed limit, mileage, range, etc. So here car is the class, and wheels, speed limits, mileage are their properties. Data members are data variables, and member functions are the functions used to manipulate these variables. And together these data members and member function define the properties and behavior of the object in a class. In above example, class car, the data member will be speed limit, mileage, etc., and member functions can apply brake, increase speed. Advantages. What are the advantages of creating a class? A class is a user defined and reusability entity. A class reduces complexity of holding data. Class just hold data and do operation with the help of member variables and member function. A class maintains software quality and is well structured. An object is a realization of the particular class. The syntax of class is, first we have to write keyword class, then followed by class name. After that we have to specify access specifier, then we can write member variable declaration and member function declaration. Access specifier या access modifier are used to implement important feature of object-oriented programming known as data hiding or information hiding. Consider a real-life example. What happens when a driver applies brakes? The car stops. The driver only knows that to stop the car he needs to apply the brakes. he is unaware of how actually the car stops, that is how the engine stops working, or the internal implementation on the engine side. This is what data hiding. Types of access specifier. Access modifier or access specifier in a class are used to set accessibility of the class members, that is, it set some restrictions on the class members not to get directly access by the outside functions. There are three types of access modifier available in C++: public, private, protected. One note that if we do not specify any access modifier or any access specifier for the member inside the class, then by default the access modifier for that members are will be private. First one is public. If we declare the member functions of the class as public, then public members will be available to everyone. The data members and data and member function declare public can be accessed by the other classes too. The public member of a class can be accessed from anywhere in the program using the direct member access operator dot with the object of that class. Next, private. The class members declared as private can be accessed only by the function inside the class. They are not allowed to be accessed directly by any objects or function outside the class. Only the member functions of the class or the friend function are allowed to access the private data member of a class. Protected. Protected access modifier is similar to that of private access modifier. The difference is that the class members declared as protected are inaccessible outside the class, but they can be accessed by any subclass of that class. So these are three are our access specifier, or we can say access modifier. Thank you so much.